Today we're going to learn how to organize our Biology 1 Honors Binder. This is very similar to what you did in 8th grade science, but it's a little different. So you will take your binder, you'll open it up, you're going to have your tab come first, and you're going to label that tab beginning, because we're going to put everything in there that's kind of in the beginning of the school year in underneath that tab. So write beginning on your tab, slide it in, or if you have a marker, write it on the tab. And then you're going to have one of your green sheets. So this goes behind the tab. So this is your organizational sheet. And we're going to fill it out for our beginning of information section. So for chapter on this, we don't really have a chapter, so we're gonna put an X there. And then the name of item, that's gonna be the very first paper I gave you, which was guidelines. Lab safety. That's gonna be page number 1. So that you're gonna wanna go ahead and put a number 1 in the upper right-hand corner on your guidelines and circle it. You're going to write how many points you earned. So if you had both your signatures and you got a 5 and points possible, it was out of 5. Okay. Then the next paper we're going to write down was our syllabus. So first semester syllabus. That's going to be page number 2. Put a number 2 in the upper right-hand corner. And then we didn't get any points on that, so we're going to just put X's on there because we didn't get any points. All right, and then the next thing we had was our seek, share, sign. So no chapter, seek, share, sign. It's going to be page number 3. It wasn't worth any points, so we'll put an X and an X. And remember to put your number 3 in the upper right-hand corner and circle it. And then the next paper we had was our today poem that you had in class today. So once again, no chapter, today poem. Page number 4, X on that one, because we didn't have any points on that. Now you can see for your homework assignment for the weekend, you have an assignment on Schoology, and it's called the Inspirational Quote Assignment. And we're going to go ahead and record that on here. So it would be an X for chapter, inspirational quote. We'll just put inspirational quote. It's going to be page number 5, but because you're turning it in on Schoology to me, it's not actually going to be in your binder. So it's on the computer. So we're going to put a 5C right there. Okay, so that lets me know that it's on the computer. And you are going to have points earned and points possible, so you'll need to check out Schoology at a later time and write how many points are possible, and then once I grade them, you'll need to fill out how many points you got. Okay, and so then this will complete your organizational sheet for beginning. And then what you'll do is you'll have another tab, and you're going to put chapter 1, and then you're going to put your second green sheet behind that, so that as we start getting into chapter 1, you can start recording your assignments. So after every single tab, you're going to have one of these organizational sheets that organizes that section. Okay. There are extra organizational sheets in the back in the cubby holes. They're the green ones, so you can help yourself whenever you need them. If they do run out, please make sure you tell somebody. Probably tell Miss Hannah, and she can go down to the office and get you guys some more. You shouldn't run out for a while, but when that does happen, make sure you let Miss Hannah know, and she will take care of it for you. Okay? So that takes care of your regular area. Okay? If you want to go ahead and number your tabs for first semester, you have that information on your syllabus. All you got to do is look at your syllabus, and then each chapter we have on there, that's the name of the tab that you'll have to fill out your tabs. Now in the very, very back of your binder, that's where your pre-classes go. So the very last tab you have in your binder, you're going to write pre-class on that. And then you'll put your pre-classes in there. And the way we do pre-classes is just like what we did in 8th grade. You will put the date on it, and then you'll put the number, so whatever number it is. Okay, and that's how you will do your pre-classes. So when you get to a pre-class assignment, I'll say put it in the pre-class part of your binder. Go ahead, put the date on it, and then put whatever number you're ready for. Obviously, the first one will be number 1. Circle it, upper right-hand corner, and put it behind the pre-class tab in your binder. So that's how your biology binders work. If you have any questions about it, please make sure you message me on Schoology. Thanks.